Girls are very excited, great programs going on, lots of learning. I love seeing them interested in the science and math.
I love it so much because I love this age group, and just to be able to kind of inspire these girls and show them there's so many different paths and interests they can be a part of going into middle school and high school when it comes to STEM.
It's a very diverse field, but fun fact.
It's really awesome. I'm learning a lot of new things and it's really fun. Best thing we've done so far is we created a little robot where we on code, and everyone would work together in partners and make a code, and we would design a robot.
I like that we learned about more women in history that helped us. So
right now we're learning about thermal energy, and normally we've been learning about mechanical energy, basically things that move.
All of it aligns with what is happening in the classrooms. They go, hey, we just learned about this in our class. So I'm hearing more of that, which is neat because now they get to take what they've learned and extend it.
Maybe we should
well, you can just follow them.
If you can make learning fun, that's the best way to teach.
It's fun for girls, amazing for girls, and that's why we call it Girlstart.
You just need to make sure to place the tape here.